If you're searching for a powerful and reliable vacuum, the Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Navigator Liftaway is a great choice. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Built with performance and versatility in mind, it delivers deep cleaning for carpets, hard floors, and everyday messes while being lightweight and easy to use. One of its standout features is the lift-away detachable pod, which lets you press a button, lift the canister, and easily clean stairs, furniture, or tight spaces where a traditional upright can't reach. Combined with swivel steering, it gives you smooth control around furniture and obstacles, making your cleaning routine faster and less tiring. For air quality, the Shark Navigator uses anti-allergen complete seal technology with a HEPA filter, capturing up to 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. This makes it an excellent option for households with pets, kids, or anyone sensitive to allergens. Speaking of pets, the vacuum is specially designed for pet hair cleaning power. Its strong suction and brush roll lift stubborn fur from carpets, sofas, and corners with ease. And with the included Crevice tool and dusting brush, you can reach baseboards, vents, blinds, and delicate surfaces for a complete clean. With its combination of upright cleaning strength, portable convenience, and advanced filtration, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is built to make your home fresher and cleaner every day. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.